Hello guys, today we are unlocking FRP on a Redmi 13 via server. You just need to connect your phone to the PC in Mi Assistant mode and wait for my help. Thanks for watching.